Hey, what's good, gang? We back with another banger, man. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and join the bro gang, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We got love, live, serve, man. Types of sneezes, man. If you ever sneezed, I'm sure your type of sneeze will be in this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. What the fuck kind of sneeze is that? Guess we gonna find out.
Guy with the soft ass sneeze.
Soft ass.
When you got food in your mouth. The tooth sneeze. The poop sneeze. The atomic bomb. The girl with the cute sneeze. The kid in chorus class. When T-Pain sneezes. And me. I can put you in a mansion. How you sneeze around your crush. What's up? The burp sneeze. When your pet sneezes. The white bird. When you feel a sneeze coming, but then it dissipates.
Those happen to me a lot. The dissipate.
The disgusting person that doesn't cover their mouth. Oh my
I hate
God.
these people. Ew.
When you sneeze and some stuff comes out. Ugh. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know when this happens to you in class and you're just stuck there and it's like, oh shoot. Gross.
I'm not teaching you that happened to me like
When
once
someone says
a year.
something to make you not sneeze. Pineapple. The girl that doesn't like her actual sneeze, so she tries her absolute hardest to have a cute sneeze. The person who doesn't say bless you.
She cute. But she don't get a pass.
Man, did you? Are you not gonna? Oh my God! Oh my God! The single, the double, the triple, the quadruple, the infinity sneeze. The freeze frame. I don't even know what this one is. Not sure what to call this one. The loud for no reason.
Yo, people do be screaming before they sneeze. Though.
What? Why are you looking at me? The oh hell nah. Yo, we're scared. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. What's up? No. What's going on? No. The person who does the absolute most for no reason. Oh shit! A two!
You got blue face? I don't know what the fuck it
White people.
is. Oh my God. Why you sound like
Look at
goofy?
that like this. Black people will make a beat out of anything. And then she said she didn't get the LOVELIVESERVE socks. And I was like, okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Like, how could you not get the best socks out there right now? Like, that was just crazy to me. How could you not get the socks? That's like a mango. What the hell? That's what I'm saying. Oh, bless you. Wait a second. Do that again? Huh? Like, sneeze again. Okay. Wait a second. Let me record that real quick. Here.
Mix it up.
Hell yeah. Give me a second. The person who makes the ugly ass face before they sneeze.
Yeah. I'm guilty of that. No cap.
The mute. The annoyed sneeze. Chill. That corny ass person that says gazoon tight. Gazoon tight. Bro, he likes you. Whatever. The guy from outer space.
Yo, how do they have this many sneezes?
When you don't sneeze. The throw up sneeze.
Is that a thing?
Maybe. I don't know.
Ew.
The burp sneeze fart, also known as the burp snort. When you're allergic to ugly.
Damn, you ugly, man.
This is just like a joke on me or something. I'm not ugly. Why is that? That's not funny. Stop zooming on me. Stop. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Time. The disgusting ass person that sneezes into the salad bar.
Oh my
I know y'all
God.
seen them before, like a Golden Corral, like Ruby Tuesday. They be sneezing in the salad bar. Oh, disgusting.
That's how the niggas, I've seen that shit before.
The blind guy. Hey, I don't sneeze any different from the rest of y'all.
Right.
The camera's over here.
Oh, okay, well, I can't see. How am I supposed to know?
Okay, well, face to your left. Follow my voice.
Your left is different from my left.
Your left. Face the camera.
I can't see, okay?
I'm over here.
I'm blind.
Look, we get that, but you gotta look this way.
Okay, I don't see any
A
different from
little
the rest
to
of
the
y'all.
right a little. To the right a little. Oh wait, no, go back. Wait.
They're so
I don't
tired.
sneeze. I said I don't sneeze any different from the rest of you.
Okay, but for the purposes of the skit, it's funny. Okay, now let me put it in focus. All right, now from the top.
The deaf guy. Cool, could you do that again?
He actually looks like he could be blonde right here. Isn't it cool? He's really
How could
good.
you do that? Oh, my fault.
And that's when I told her, what do you mean you don't invest in real estate?
Oh, shoot, we filming. Oh, it's the outro.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. What's up?
Thank you guys for making it to the end of this particular video. We would like to give a huge shout out to the Surf Squad members of the day. In future, if you guys would like to be the Surf Squad member of the day, all you gotta do is follow Nobo and I on Instagram, take a picture in the LOVELIVESERVE merch, use the hashtag Surf Squad, and just tag both of us. It's that simple. Well, thank you guys for all your love and support. We have so many great things in store, so just keep watching. Nothing but bangers on the way. Until next time, bye.
Yeah. Alright, that was actually, yo, I'm not gonna lie. I did not see them being able to make a video this long about sneezes, bro. But they actually did. How do you make a 9-minute video about all types of sneezes, bro? And it was mad accurate. What would you say your sneeze is? What would you say your sneeze is like closest to?
I would say maybe the face one, and you make
Like
an ugly
this?
face maybe.
Oh, an ugly
but I
face?
know I do like this most of the time.
Yeah, I definitely do the ugly face.
Yeah,
I definitely do that one, and then I think I do the little when you're about to sneeze, but it doesn't come out a lot too. I do that one a lot.
yeah, but I know I know I make a face every time I do it.
I definitely do make
So.
a face. I think that's probably the most accurate one. Like my face definitely be swig. I do that.
Be that sweet.
Yeah, I be that ugly. But it's okay, man. You know what I'm saying? You guys, y'all let us know though, which sneeze most matched you guys. Let us know, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're a person who sneezes just out into the air, unfriend me now, man. I can't be your friend because that shit is disgusting. As long as you something, you good. But if you just I can't be your friend, bro. I'm telling you. Germs. But that's gonna be it for this video, you guys, man. We love you.
We appreciate
We're
you.
gonna catch y'all in the next video, man.
It's your boy Young.
And Kyrie.
We out of here.
Peace.